Welcome to Minute Maths. In this video we look at 5 math puzzles and their answers. Puzzle 1. Look at this number sequence. 2, 6, 12, 20. What number comes next? Pause the video if you want more thinking time. The key here is to look at how the numbers are increasing. We can see the difference between the first two numbers is 4. The difference between 6 and 12 is 6. A pattern is emerging here, as each time, the difference increases by 2. So the next number in the sequence will have a difference of 10 between the previous number. Therefore, the answer is 30. Puzzle 2. One digit is missing in this multiplication. What number goes in the box? To answer this question, we should divide 132 by 3, as this will give us the number we multiply by 3 to get 132. If we divide 132 by 3 we get 44. So the missing digit is 4. Puzzle 3. This is a classic algebra puzzle. A sister is 4 times her brother's age now. In 10 years, she'll be only twice as old. How old are they right now? Let's use algebra to solve this one. We'll use x to represent the brother's age, and 4x to represent the sister's age, as she is 4 times older. In 10 years' time the sister will be 4x plus 10, and the brother will be x plus 10. We can now set up an equation to solve this. Remember that in 10 years' time, the sister will be twice as old as the brother. We write this by putting the expression for the sister's age in 10 years, as equal to twice the brother's age in 10 years. We can then solve the equation using whichever method works best for you. Check out our algebra videos if you need a refresher on this. Now we've figured out that x equals 5, we know the brother is currently 5 years old. And as the sister is 4 times his age, she is currently 20. Puzzle 4. A basket contains apples and oranges. There are 10 fruits in total. There are 2 more apples than oranges. How many apples and how many oranges are there? We can solve this puzzle in a similar way to the last one, using algebra. Let's use x to represent the number of oranges, and x plus 2 to represent the number of apples, as there are 2 more apples than there are oranges. We know the total number of fruits is 10, so we can set up an equation for this. Next we can solve the equation to find out the value of x. So now we know that x equals 4, we know that the amount of oranges in the basket is 4. As we have 2 more apples than oranges, we can work out that we have 6 apples in the basket. So, there are 4 oranges and 6 apples. And finally let's look at puzzle 5. I think of a number. Multiply it by 3, subtract 7. And that gives the same result as adding 5 to the original number. What was the number? Again, we'll use algebra and let x represent the original number. We can now set up an equation using the information given in the question. X is multiplied by 3, then 7 is subtracted. This is also equal to adding 5 to x. Solving the equation gives us x equals 6. So the original number is 6. That's all for now, thanks for watching.